New York City by late today. Before the changeover in New York City, even Philadelphia, as much as 4 to 8 inches of snow in those cities could fall before the changeover. And then we'll see a break tonight, and then another wave will form in the Carolinas and push up with heavy rainfall by tomorrow morning in all the East Coast cities. So we have got a couple of days here of just things shutting down for a while. Moline, 7 inches, Madison, 6, Chicago, 5, Philadelphia with 2 inches on the ground, and it continues to come down. And as you can see, our snow has streaked down out to the east, and our heaviest snows are expected here from the central leather stocking region of New York right on into the Merrimack River Valley of New Hampshire. So we're going to get heavy snow here. And there we go, changeover today and on into tonight. It'll move up to the Mohawk.
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. The regional forecast. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. The current local radar showing any precipitation in your area. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen.
Well, could this be the last storm of the season in the Northeast? We'll check it out. We'll see what we expect, at least through the weekend anyway. First, temperatures, and you'll definitely notice a cool down by Thursday and Friday in the Southeast. With the passage of that frontal boundary, temperatures will only be in the 40s. And
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Current regional conditions. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. information. The regional forecast. Your local radar, showing any precipitation and its movement during the past 90 minutes. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen. You're watching...
No, but notice the orange on the map, that's where we have sort of that transition period. Little freezing rain, little sleet, as that warm air comes north, and eventually should change a lot of the snow and ice over to all rain. We're hoping for that for you here in New York City. New Jersey, you should see it changing over. Pittsburgh has already seen that happen. And Philadelphia, still seeing a little bit of both, so still a lot of problems out there. And kind of a stiff east wind, so it feels cold. 5 below is the wind chill factor in Boston, 5 above in New York City. Definitely, winter is back through here, and it's even worse in the Midwest. We have northeast wind.
Local conditions. The regional forecast. Your local 36-hour forecast from the National Weather Service. The current local radar showing any precipitation in your area. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen.
There's so
Current regional conditions. Your local radar showing any precipitation and its movement during the past 90 minutes. Intensity is indicated by the color code at the top of the screen. Coming up.